Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare DeepL AI and Google Translate. DeepL AI and Google Translate are powerful language translation tools differ in key areas. DeepL AI is a translation tool that many people love because it gives very natural and accurate results. The sentences sound smooth and make sense, even with tricky grammar or long paragraphs. The design is clean and easy to use, just paste your text and get a clear translation. It offers a free plan, the DeepL White Pro for $10.99 and the DeepL White for Business After Contact. The Google Translate is a super handy tool that helps people understand and translate over 100 languages quickly. It's great for everyday use, like chatting with someone in another language, reading signs, or translating websites. The best thing about it is how easy it is to use. Just type, speak, or point your camera at text to get a translation. While it might not always be perfect with grammar or longer sentences, overall, DeepL is better for accuracy and natural translations, while Google Translate is better for speed and language variety. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.